Okay, so that's the Aria, and I believe this one is the Kerry. Let's go find out. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, then you may have a liking for this one, but you know what? Let's go check out the Kerry and find out. So this one is gonna be a little bit smaller and the layout is different. This one's gonna be priced a little bit better, but again, I think you could get a great price on that one as well. Okay, so you come on into the Kerry, and again, you have this nice wide foyer as you're coming in, and you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath up in front of the home. And then you come on in past these 2 closets and into the living space. So this is a bit of a different layout. The living room is very well defined. And again, you have lots of great furniture arrangement options in this living room for sure, and plenty of space. And then you have your dining room sort of set over here in front of the kitchen. So I see sometimes with the table going, you know, this way, and then also I've seen the table going this way, and I think the pictures online for this house actually have the furniture in it. So you could actually see a good how this is laid out in regards to furniture. So, but a lot of people, they shy away from this plan when they see it because of this space here, not knowing how things are actually gonna fit. But when you see the furniture in the space, it's actually quite nice. So I happen to like the finishes on this one a little bit better just because of the counters. The counters have this quartz, this nice white quartz. It has no variation in it. This kitchen is super white, but I like it because you can add your own touches of color the way you see fit, and then add your own hardware. It's got the white backsplash, the crown molding on the cabinets again. You've got your Whirlpool range and microwave. I think this stove may be different than the stove next door in the Aria. I'm not sure. Nice dishwasher. Again, your single bowl sink, brush nickeled hardware. You do get a garbage disposal in Bella Point because it's on county water and sewer and not on septic. You've got your sliding glass doors here leading off to this covered porch, but here is this pantry here. So it could, depending on what you need in a pantry and the functionality, this is probably a smaller pantry than the Aria next door. It's just shaped differently. That's all. Again, we'll ask for the refrigerator and the washer and dryer as part of the package when we negotiate. And we have another covered porch here on the Kerry. And then this is the backyard here. So they only sodded up to the line. This property line does go back, but they only sodded back that far. So you can make that a natural area. You could add more sod or just seed and straw, all of that, in order to gain more yard space. But this property line does go all the way back. So if you want a little bit of a bigger yard as compared to the Aria right there, then this may be the house you choose. Isn't it pretty? Again, you get a lot of privacy back there. I'm going to be interested to hear what you like about each plan the most and what is a part of your decision making. So again, good size living space for sure. Okay, let's dive into the primary suite. Again, it's got the luxury vinyl plank going all throughout, no carpet in these houses, and you've got no blinds are installed on these windows. That doesn't mean that we can't ask for it. For sure, we will certainly ask for the blinds as a part of the move-in package. You could put the ceiling fan up there. It is wired and it has the box in there to support the weight of a ceiling fan, so that's no problem. This primary bath is a little bit smaller, I believe. You do have the double sink vanity, and that is a nice white quartz top there, so that's great. This may actually be cultured marble, not quartz actually, but it looks very, very similar. So you do have the shower, the walk-in shower with the sliding door, which I think is nice. You don't have a separate water closet. If that's important to you, then the Kerry is not the plan for you. It does have a nice size closet though too. So the Aria's primary closet is probably a little bit bigger. Plus you have that extra closet in the bathroom and you have the water closet for the toilet. So that's the primary. And let's go on over here and just look at the laundry and the garage while we're over here. Good sized laundry room. And again, you could put cabinets up there if you wanted to for more storage. Decent sized laundry though. Across here, you do have a coat closet that you can use as something else if you didn't need a coat closet. And then over here, you've got the garage. Again, you've got the pull down that leads up to the attic that has the air handler up there. You've got the garage door opener already installed, electrical panel, water heaters over there, water shut off. So these are the type of floors that are in here. They're Mohawk. So this closet here could actually be your Costco closet if you wanted it to be. I don't know how big of a Costco fan you are, but because you have this closet here. Well, actually, this could be too. This probably makes more sense. Well, no, you've got another closet over here that could be a coat closet. So this is your coat closet, right? That makes more sense to be your coat closet. This could be a whatever type of closet you want. This could be the Costco closet or like a secondary pantry since it's here next to the kitchen. And then this closet over here could be like somewhat of a linen closet, I guess, since it's next to the laundry. That would be nice, like when you wash your sheets and all of that stuff. Look at me just planning out your entire space for you. Okay, back through here, let's look at the secondary bedrooms. You've got the luxury vinyl plank through this bedroom as well. Good size space in here. I think this room is equivalent to the Aria secondary bedroom too. Same with the closet, just a standard closet. Over here, you have your secondary bath with a shower tub combination. You have the cultured marble as well and fiberglass shower and tub. No linen closet over here, which I don't know if that matters or not to you. And then you have your third bedroom. Now, I think this bedroom is smaller than the third bedroom in the Aria. At least it feels that way. Yeah, this room is tiny, but it would be good for an office. The closet is actually a good size. It's bigger. So this may be a good office area. You could put your printers, things like that in that closet, and you could have a desk and like a chair or a chair for sitting, and then obviously your desk chair in here. That may be the best use of this room. And then you have the other bedroom. Actually, they may be the same size. I'll have to look at the floor plan. But either way, depending on how you're going to use it, this Kerry is a great setup. And I think for the price, and this is a great private lot. And I like the nice white finishes in here. So let me know what you think of the Kerry. Let's go see what it looks like out front. Okay, just another look at what is surrounding the Kerry. It is here on this cul-de-sac, and of course there are going to be homes built around here, but there's a pond on the other side of that, and you'll have a house here. That house will probably, the front of it will probably be facing that way, so you'll probably be looking at the side of the house here. Maybe you'll be looking at the front. I don't think so though. I'm thinking maybe the front will be here. Anyway, we will see. But I think either one of these options are great options here in Bella Point. They do have some 2-story plans over here on the rest of these, but none of those plans actually back up to privacy or to a pond or anything. So These two right now, I think, are two of your best options with getting the privacy that you may desire. Now, Bella Point, it does have a pool in the community, very low HOA dues. It's got a pool and a fitness center. And I think the HOA dues are right under $100 a year. $100 a month. And we are like maybe 12 minutes to Oak Island. The grocery store is like 10 minutes down the road. Pharmacy, everything you need is really close. You can get into downtown Southport for all the entertainment, everything that downtown Southport has to offer in 20 minutes. So in terms of proximity as compared to Summers Walk, it's not in like a major city, but it is close to major conveniences. It is close to the beach, and it is close to Southport. So let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye.